sfc scannow, should you run System File Checker, SFC, periodically? Running the System File Checker, SFC, periodically can be beneficial for maintaining the health of your Windows operating system, but it's not always necessary for every user. Here's a breakdown of when and why you might want to run SFC. When to run SFC. 1. System instability or crashes. If you experience frequent system crashes, blue screens of death, BSOD, or other system instabilities, running SFC can help detect and repair corrupted system files that might be causing these issues. 2. Missing or corrupted files. If certain Windows features or applications aren't functioning properly, SFC can identify and restore missing or corrupted system files. 3. Malware infections. After removing malware, it's a good idea to run SFC to ensure that system files haven't been damaged or altered. 4. Regular maintenance, optional, for users who want to proactively maintain their system's health, running SFC periodically, example every few months, can help catch issues early. However, this is more of a preventive measure and isn't typically necessary for most users. Why it might not be necessary periodically. Resource intensive, running SFC can take a considerable amount of time, especially on older or slower systems. It's also resource intensive, which can slow down your system while it's running. Stable systems. If your system is running smoothly without issues, there may be no need to run SFC regularly. Windows generally maintains its files well, and SFC checks are often unnecessary if there are no symptoms of file corruption or instability. Other maintenance tools. Modern Windows systems have other tools and mechanisms, like Windows Update and the built-in health checks, that already work to ensure system integrity. Best practices. Run when needed. Instead of scheduling periodic runs, consider running SFC when you notice specific problems or after significant system events, like crashes or malware removal. Keep backups. Regularly back up your system and important files. This practice ensures you have a fallback in case of file corruption or other issues, making the need for SFC checks less critical. In conclusion, while it's not generally necessary to run SFC periodically, it can be a useful tool when troubleshooting or after certain events. Using it judiciously can help maintain a stable and functional system.